Introducing OmniVial 8, a compact, cleanroom-ready automation cell designed for full-cycle to milliliters microtube processing. The process begins with automated vibratory feeding, where tubes are oriented and delivered seamlessly into the system. A Precision 8 station. Indexed rotary platform moves each tube. This platform carries each tube through the production sequence, supporting consistent synchronization. Dual dispensing modules support both large volume and small volume reagent filling. Engineered for diagnostic workflows that require precise dosing control, the cap is then applied. Using servo-driven torque control, this helps prevent loose caps, over-tightening, and cross-threading. An integrated contact height inspection step immediately verifies the cap tube height, adding a rigorous physical check for sealing integrity, from feeding to roll labeling. OmniVial 8 integrates critical operations into one compact platform. OmniVial 8 by Pinnacle Tech. Precision, compliance, ready.